Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can log out of Roblox on PC. If you're using a web browser and you want to log out from the web so that no one can access your ID, what you need to do is you need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll see the log out button. Go ahead and select it and then select log out again to confirm to log out of your specific account from this browser, and you'll be done. But in the case if you're using the Roblox application on your PC, go ahead and open your Roblox application on your PC, log into your specific account from where you want to log out, and then after click on the more icon from the left hand side of the screen. And from here, you need to go ahead and select the option of log out. Go ahead and click on it, then select log out again to confirm, and you'll be done. Now to log into your account again, you need to select the sign in option and then enter your username, email, or phone number, then enter your password and click on sign in. You can also use the feature of email me one-time code. Roblox will send a code to your specific email address that is associated with your Roblox account, and then you can use that code to log into your account. Or you can also use a quick sign-in feature. You just need to go ahead and use this QR code to log into your specific account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.